Introducing the Form Cement, slip-resistant, glazed, rectified, porcelain tile by Italian masters Ceramica Sant Agostino. Suited to various floor applications, this exterior slip-resistant tile is as at home outdoors as its matte counterpart is indoors, allowing you to extend its contemporary style into every area of the home. 40 tile faces help ensure that every installation offers the multi-dimensional graphic effect of pockmarked embossing and cavities typical of real cement. This is further enhanced by the large format of the tile itself, as it offers more surface on which to highlight the intricacies of the design. Add to that rectified edges, which are precision cut to achieve uniformity, and you have a continuous installation space with fewer grout lines for a sleek, near-seamless finish that is both beautiful to look at and easy to maintain. Crafted with sustainability in mind, Form Cement also carries Italtile's Live Green label as proof of its eco-conscious manufacturing and high-end sustainability. Form Cement is an exciting and prestigious addition to Italtile's cement look porcelain tile collection. It's raw, rugged, muscular, practical, sustainable, and durable. In fact, it ticks every box that matters and more. Find it in-store or online at Italtile.